And today I'm going to show you the very best audio chain for your Shure SM7B and a method called 5-3 to always remember the best settings for your DBX 286s. And we start right now.
Ventilosa.com.
Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go and check those settings with the method 5-3, and then I'm gonna explain you why. So let me show you how that works. I'm gonna turn the music down for now so you can hear me speaking because I'm recording with these settings that I'm recommending. The first knob we are going to set is your preamp. And remember, you're getting 25 clean dBs from your CloudLifter. So we are going to set your first knob to 45. So where's the 3? You may wonder, and it's right there in red, because if you plug a line in, that is set to plus 30. So that's how you remember the first knob. And phantom power, it's on because remember, you're feeding your CloudLifter with power in order to work. Your 80 Hz high pass filter should be off. Process bypass, it's off because we are going to process this audio. And now your compressor. So you want to set both knobs, your drive and your density, to 3. Next, we have your de-esser. So you want to set your frequency to 5000 and your threshold to 3. Your enhancer. Set your low frequency detail knob to 3 and your high frequency detail knob to 5. Now your expander gate. You want to set your threshold knob to -30 and your ratio to 2:1. And a way to remember is 2 + 1 is 3. And finally, your output knob, and that should be set all the way down to -30. I'm getting the music back on so I can tell you about the only 2 tweaks I recommend you to use in certain situations with this audio chain in the Shure SM7B. Well, your gain, one of the things you need to remember is that you're setting your DBX 286 to +45 and you're getting an extra 25 dBs from your CloudLifter. Your Shure SM7B needs about 70 dBs or 69 dBs of gain. And if you're still needing more gain, I will do it directly from your preamp. In my case, I'm using the Clarett 2 pre and I have my gain set to 3. And again, another 3 there so you can easily remember. But that is up to you and to your needs, because you don't want your DBX 286s preamp working at its maximum power. You can handle it, but I'd rather just split some of that work with my preamp directly. You always want to keep your 80 Hz high pass filter off unless you are recording outside and there's a bunch of wind hitting your microphone. Otherwise, you just don't need the 80 Hz high pass filter. So now there are 2 settings you may want to tweak depending on your voice and your location. The first one is the de-esser. And you want to be tweaking that in between 2K and 8K. That depends on how high or low your voice is. If it's too high, you may want to play and tweak around 8K. And if it's too low, you may want to tweak it around 2Ks. A male voice will be around the 2Ks or 3Ks because they're typically lower voices, and female voices are typically around the 8Ks, 7Ks. So depends on your voice, play with that knob. And the last setting you may need to tweak is your expander gate, and that will depend on your room. Do you have any sound treatment on your room? Do you have a lot of room noise, your computer fans, that will depend on your room. So what works for me is -30 and a ratio of 2:1. Okay, and this method is called 5-3 because every knob on your DBX 286s is set to either a 5 or a 3. For example, sometimes you need to set one of the knobs to 5000 and the other one to 30. But in any case, there is always a 5 and a 3 involved. And that is a very easy way for you to always remember those settings. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you want notifications, hit that bell up there or down there. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And again, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, guys. See you. One, two.